Hello everyone, my name is Tom. Welcome to our Easy English Conversation Practice.
Hi, I'm Lina. In this video, we will show you how to order fast food and coffee in English, step by step.
We are inside a real restaurant, so you can learn English from real situations.
Watch, listen, and practice with us, and you will feel more confident.
Lina, the lobby is very busy, but I think we can still find a place to stand and look at the menu.
Yes, Tom. I see many people waiting here, so this restaurant must be popular.
I feel hungry just smelling the food in this place.
Me too. The smell of fried chicken and burgers makes me very hungry.
Let's stand near the menu board and read it carefully.
That's a good idea, because I don't want to feel nervous when ordering.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
Thank you. That makes me feel more confident.
This lobby is clean and bright.
Yes, and I like that the menu has pictures.
Pictures really help beginner English learners.
I agree, because we can point if we forget a word.
Let's take our time and decide what we want.
Okay, I don't want to rush.
We are learning English in real life.
That makes this practice very useful.
I already see something I like.
I'm still looking.
That's fine. We have time.
Yes, no pressure at all. Tom, the menu is very big, and I see many different meals.
Yes, but don't worry. We only need to choose one simple meal.
I see burger sets with fries and drinks included.
Those are called combo meals, and they are usually cheaper.
Thank you for explaining that word.
You're welcome. Learning vocabulary like this is important.
The prices look reasonable for fast food.
Yes, fast food is usually affordable.
I see small, medium, and large sizes for fries.
We can choose the size when we order.
I think small fries are enough for me.
I might choose medium because I'm very hungry.
I also see drinks like cola, juice, and water.
Later, we can also order coffee.
I'm happy they sell coffee here.
Me too. I need coffee after lunch.
I think I know what I want now.
Great. I'm almost ready too.
Let's remember our orders.
Yes, that will make ordering easier. Lina, while we are waiting in line, let's practice what we will say.
That's a good idea, because I feel nervous speaking English.
You can say, "I'd like a beef burger combo, please."
Okay, let me try saying that slowly.
Take your time. There is no rush.
I'd like a beef burger combo, please.
That sounds very clear and polite.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
I will order a chicken burger combo.
What drink will you choose?
I will choose cola with ice.
I want orange juice because it feels healthier.
Good choice.
I like that we can customize our order.
Yes, fast food ordering is flexible.
The line is moving slowly.
That gives us more time to practice.
Learning English like this is fun.
Yes, it feels natural.
I'm ready to order now.
Hello, welcome.
Hello. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon.
What would you like to order today?
I would like a chicken burger combo, please.
Sure. What size fries would you like?
Medium fries, please.
And what drink would you like?
Cola with ice, please.
Okay. Anything else?
That's all for me. Thank you.
And for you?
I would like a beef burger combo, please. What size fries? Small fries, please.
And your drink?
Orange juice, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you.
Please wait while I prepare your order.
Lina, we ordered successfully, and I feel proud of us.
Yes, speaking English at the counter was not as scary as I thought.
Now we can wait in the lobby near the pickup area.
I see many people standing and waiting for their orders.
This is a good time to relax and talk.
I like that the lobby has enough space.
Let's stand near the wall so we don't block others.
That's polite and thoughtful.
Do you remember our order number?
Yes, it is number 22.
Good. We should listen carefully.
The staff is calling numbers loudly.
This helps everyone hear clearly.
I like how organized this place is.
Fast food restaurants are usually like this.
It makes waiting easier.
I'm already excited to eat.
Me too, especially the fries.
While waiting, we can practice more English.
Yes, every moment is learning time. Tom, waiting here feels comfortable and not stressful.
Yes, the lobby music is calm and relaxing.
I see people checking their phones while waiting.
Some people are talking with friends.
Waiting in line teaches patience.
And listening skills, because we listen for our number.
That is true.
Do you hear number 21?
Yes, that means ours is next.
I will stay alert.
I like how you say stay alert.
It means paying attention.
Thank you for explaining.
Learning English happens naturally here.
This is better than only studying books.
Real life makes words meaningful.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence grows with practice.
I hear our number.
Yes, let's go get our food.
Order number 22 is ready.
That's our number. Let's step forward.
I will carry the tray carefully.
Here is your food and drinks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
The food looks fresh and hot.
Yes, everything looks delicious.
Let's check if everything is correct.
I see my beef burger and small fries.
I have my chicken burger and medium fries.
The drinks are here too.
Good. Nothing is missing.
Let's find a place to stand or sit.
I see a table near the lobby window.
That place looks nice.
Let's go there carefully.
Be careful with the drinks.
I will walk slowly. Lina, this table near the lobby is perfect.
Yes, we can see outside while eating.
Let's sit down and relax.
I'm really hungry now.
Let's try the food first.
My burger tastes very good.
My chicken burger is crispy.
The fries are hot and salty.
Fast food is simple but satisfying.
I agree.
Eating while speaking English feels natural.
Yes, it feels like real-life practice.
How is your drink?
The orange juice is fresh and cold.
My cola is refreshing.
After eating, I want coffee.
Me too. Coffee sounds perfect.
I saw a coffee counter in the lobby.
Let's go there after eating.
That's a great plan. Tom, I feel a little nervous about ordering coffee in English.
Don't worry, coffee orders are usually simple.
I don't want to make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay when learning.
That makes me feel better.
We just need to know hot or iced.
And the size of the coffee.
Yes, small, medium, or large.
I like hot coffee with milk.
I prefer iced coffee without milk.
Should we practice first?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I will say, I'd like a hot coffee with milk.
That sounds perfect and clear.
Thank you for helping me.
We are learning together.
I'm ready now.
Let's go to the coffee counter
Take a deep breath.
and smile.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, I would like an iced coffee, please.
What size would you like?
Medium size, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
No milk and no sugar, please.
Okay. Anything else?
That's all for me, thank you.
And for you? I would like a hot coffee, please. What size would you like? Small size, please. Would you like milk or sugar? Yes, milk, please, but no sugar. Okay, your total is $5.
I will pay for both.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
Please tap your card here.
Done, thank you.
Ordering coffee was easier than I expected.
Yes, you spoke very clearly.
Thank you for encouraging me.
Encouragement helps learning.
The coffee machine sounds busy.
That means fresh coffee is coming.
I like waiting here in the lobby.
It feels relaxed.
I see people carrying takeaway cups.
Some people order coffee to go.
That's useful vocabulary.
Yes, to go is common.
I hear our names being called.
Let's listen carefully.
Tom and Lina.
That's us.
Let's go get the coffee.
Walk carefully.
The cups are hot.
I will hold the tray. Lina, your coffee smells really nice.
Yes, hot coffee makes me feel relaxed.
My iced coffee looks refreshing.
Coffee time is my favorite part.
Me too.
Sitting in the lobby feels cozy.
Yes, it's a good place to rest.
I feel happy practicing English like this.
Real situations help memory.
I remember words better now.
Food and coffee help learning.
That's a nice bonus.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, much more confident.
Next time, you can order alone.
I think I can do that.
That's great progress.
Thank you for your support.
We are a good team.
Yes, we are. Tom, today we ordered food and coffee successfully.
Yes, and we used simple English,
Simple English is powerful.
especially for beginners.
I didn't feel embarrassed.
That's important.
The lobby felt like a safe place.
Friendly places help confidence.
I like learning this way.
Me too.
We listened, spoke, and understood.
All key skills.
I want to practice more.
We will.
Maybe next time at another cafe.
That sounds fun.
English is everywhere.
Yes, in daily life.
I feel motivated.
That's the best feeling.
Lina, let's explain this to our viewers.
Yes, they can learn with us.
Ordering fast food uses simple phrases.
Like, I would like and please.
Coffee orders need size and temperature.
Hot or iced is important.
Milk and sugar are common questions.
Don't be afraid to answer.
Speak slowly and clearly.
And smile.
Mistakes are okay.
Practice makes improvement.
The lobby is a good learning place.
Because it's real life.
Real-life English is useful.
Anyone can do this.
Beginners included.
Just try.
And keep practicing.
You will succeed. Tom, I think we should get ready to leave.
Yes, we finished our food and coffee.
The lobby is still busy.
People keep coming in.
Let's clean our table.
That's polite.
I will throw away the trash.
I will carry the cups.
Keeping places clean is important.
Yes, good manners matter.
I enjoyed today.
Me too.
Learning English felt natural.
That's the goal.
Ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's walk to the exit.
Watch your step.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you for watching our story. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more beginner English lessons.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us, and don't forget to practice speaking English with us